Hello again guys, in this quick video, let us learn how to change the thumbnail of your YouTube shorts. Okay, first thing that you need to do is just go over to youtube.com in your web browser, and from here make sure that you are logged into your account. And once logged in, you will see here your profile icon of your channel, and go proceed to your channel option. And from here, you will see a manage videos button. Just click this and you will see all the videos you have been uploaded. And let's see for a YouTube shorts here. And if you want to change the thumbnail of this YouTube shorts, just simply click these three small dots here and choose edit and or edit title and description, or else you may simply click this icon to change your thumbnail. Just click this, and here are the video details. Under here is the thumbnail, and if you want to change the thumbnail, you can change it by uploading your saved thumbnail from your local storage or in your PC. Or else you can also select or choose a thumbnail from the portion of your video. And after selecting a thumbnail, just click this save button. Okay, that's it guys. I hope this video helps you a lot. Keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.